वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू,
ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू।
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू,
मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से,
तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से।
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू,
पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन,
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन।
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ,
तुझ पे कोई गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू। मैं जहाँ रहूँ।
Good morning everyone and happy Independence Day. On the occasion of 79th Independence Day, I would like to share something about our national anthem. We all know that the national anthem of India, originally composed in Bengali by poet Rabindranath Tagore in the year 1911. The purpose behind composing national anthem is to express deep reverence for the divine spirit that guides and protects the Indian people, binding them across region, culture and language. On 24th January 1950, Jana Gana Mana was officially adopted as national anthem of India by the Constituent Assembly just before India became republic. Deep meanings of our national anthem as it praises the land, the people and the guiding spirit that binds the nation together. It acknowledges the beauty of India's landscape from the Himalayas to the southern seas, its rivers, seasons and cultural richness. In conclusion, our national anthem is not just a song, it is the soul of our nation. It carries the dreams, struggles and sacrifices of countless freedom fighters and reminds us of our unity in diversity. Each time we sing it, we pledge to uphold the values of our great nation and work towards its progress. Let us always stand with pride and respect when we sing Jana Gana Mana, for it is not merely music, it is the heartbeat of India. Thank you. Jai Hind.
सर्वांना नमस्कार. माझे नाव सय्यद. आज 15 ऑगस्ट आहे. हा दिवस आपण भारताचा स्वातंत्र्य दिन म्हणून साजरा करतो. सर्वांना स्वातंत्र्य दिनाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. आजच 1947 रोजी भारत देश स्वातंत्र्य झाला होता. त्याच्यासाठी हजारो देशभक्तांनी आपले बलिदान दिले. त्यांना मी नमन करते. मला माझ्या देशाचा अभिमान आहे. हा मुसलमानाला या भारत देशाला सला देऊया सलामी. या तिरंगी झेंड्याला जय हिंद.
Today, as we gather to celebrate the 79th Independence Day of our great nation, my heart is filled with pride and gratitude. On this very day, 79 years ago, India woke up to a new dawn of freedom. After years of struggle and sacrifice, brave freedom fighters like Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmibai, Sardar Patel and countless others devoted their lives so that we could breathe the air of independence. Dear children, independence It is the symbol of our unity, courage, and dreams. It reminds us that freedom must be protected with honesty, hard work, and respect for one another. As students, your role is also very important. You are the future of India. The way you study, the values you follow, and the kindness you show will shape the nation we live in tomorrow. Let us promise today to be disciplined, truthful, and respectful to our country, our parents, and our school. On this special day, let us remember the sacrifices